The impact of tariffs has been seen majorly on China, with the services growth hits 7 months low. China's services activity expanded at the slowest pace in 7 months in April, with new orders growing slackling from March, weighted by uncertainty caused by US tariffs, a private sector survey showed on Tuesday. The Caixin S&P Global Services Purchasing Managers Index fell to 50.7 from 51.9 in March, its lowest reading since September. The 50 mark separates expansion from contraction. This was broadly in line with the official survey, which showed services activity easing to 50.1 from 50.3 in the previous month. The Caixin PMI is considered a better need of trends among more export-oriented and smaller firms. Despite stronger than expected economic growth in the first quarter, supported by government's stimulus, China's economy contends with persistent deflationary risk, a protracted property slump, and threats from US tariffs. About 48% of employees in China worked in services industry in 2023, and the sector contributed 56.7% to total GDP last year. But US President Donald Trump's trade actions may hit the manufacturing sector hard and hurt business hiring plans and consumer confidence. The Caixin Services survey showed new business growth showed to its weakest since December 2022. Though export orders edge up slightly, partly due to tourism recovery, some service providers cited disruption from US tariffs impacting goods trade. Apparently, business sentiment in the services sector grew at the slowest pace since February 2020, with companies citing US tariffs as a major concern. Service providers cut jobs for the second straight month to curb costs, leading to a rise in backlogged work, pushing the corresponding gauge into expansionary territory for the first time this year. Interestingly, firms reduced prices to attract customers despite higher input cost. The Caixin China General Composite PMI fell to 51.1 in April from 51.8 the previous month. Last month, the ruling Communist Party's Politburo pledged to support firms and workers most affected by the impact of triple-digit US tariffs and urged the country to prepare for worst-case scenarios. With that, China's service growth hits 7-month low as tariffs bite.